officers, members from press and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great moment for BSNL and matter of pride to launch first video call office in India. I have taken over this portfolio as Director CFA from 1st June. I realized, I went through my business and I realized that my PCO business is falling very, very sharply. The revenue which I used to earn from PCO, which used to be one time to the tune of 4,000 crores, is hardly anything now. It is in drops. So there was a need to do something. Then I thought through it, then I took the help of my group, and then they came out with an innovative idea. Then of course I was ably guided by my CMD that there's a need, there's already a video, we are having a video over broadband. Why not we make it available over PCO? Why our PCO owners are not allowed to, they can convert themselves from PCO to video call office. So immediately I formed a group and we took the approval of the MC for launch of this service, and that is the reason that we are all sitting together today here to inaugurate this service. We have launched this service now as on date in northern and western part of the country. For launching this service in other, say, south and east zone, we have already signed an agreement with Messrs ITI, and I am sure that in another 6 months time this service will be available on pan-India basis. Beside, because BSNL is not serving MTNL, so it is not serving Delhi and Mumbai. So there is a need to launch this service in Delhi and Mumbai also. So we are in advanced talk with MTNL MTNL corporate office, so that we can use the same platform for launching this service in MTNL Delhi and Mumbai also. Once this service is launched in Delhi and Mumbai also, this will see a big bang. There will be a lot of takers for this type of service, because I need not again, because a lot of benefit which will accrue out of this service has been already detailed out by Mr. Sunil Kakkar, so I need not repeat them. So I will just give you an example, because recently I visited Gujarat. I went for some press conference regarding this video call office or video over broadband. So my wife was asking me, so why you have gone to Gujarat? I said, for this purpose I have gone there. I showed that newspaper clipping and all those things. So she was saying, when it is being launched in Delhi. So I said, we are in advanced talk with MTNL Delhi, so we may be shortly launching with Delhi and Bombay. She has already booked 10 connections. For her in this major town, we are able to cover. This service will definitely take off. This is my hope, and this I also sincerely hope this will help in reviving the landline business and retain. Because with this, because the biggest competition we are facing is, as we know, is from the mobile. So we have to compete mobile with additional innovative service, and it's a matter of fact that the data which we get, speed of data which we get on the landline is much more the quality which we get on the mobile. So this type of application we hope that that our customer may come back to our landline business. I sincerely hope that this business will bring some revenue to BSNL, which is required by BSNL for its survival. And I sincerely again request all the people that please promote this application, so that we see that some good thing has been done for the country. Thank you very much.